That's all of them are gonna do that. Playing it.
You're stinky.
Ow!
You're a stink bomb. Where are these fucking screens to do with?
I need to get out of smoke for a second.
What
No,
does
wait,
this
let me
do?
see one.
Combat smoking grenade.
What do you think of? What do you think?
Oh,
What is that?
we're gonna stink up all of Bethel. Bob, get out of there. What are you doing?
I want to light off fireworks too, Dad.
Go.
Do one of the mummy smoke things. They look big.
What is this that we're doing next?
Charlie! Hey! Charlie! Yeah, thank you. This way. That was exciting.
Why is there a cord out here?
The kids found it in the middle of the road. They plugged it in. They said it worked. So, but none of us have any iPhones or anything.
Now what are we gonna do? Mom! This is awesome. I stepped on one barefoot. Yeah, so did I.
Charlie, don't touch.
It's done.
Alright, we'll let off another one here in a second.
This is not working out, kid.
What ain't?
The thing.
I know it's broken. Don't touch it, Charlie. Smoke grenade. Charlie's talking to you.
Echo, mommy.
You guys need to get down.
Just start throwing stuff all over the yard and make everything smoky.
Yeah.
Ain't there some?
Cool shit at.
Ain't there some colored smoke somewhere?
Oh, colors.
Run! Dude.
Smoke checks. There's another one.
Run!
More smoke, really?
Yeah, this was so worth $30.
Woo!
Say happy 4th of July!
God, what's up with all this smoky shit?
Why are you pulling it out of the box?
Because that's all it is a big ass box.
Of smoke stuff.
No, you gotta move it around, move it around.
Everyone say happy 4th of July!
Happy 4th of July! Oh, mommy smoke!
Not the mummy smoke!
It's yellow.
Smells like mummy butt.
Mom said their campsite's right next to the cliff.
This is awesome! Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Oh, this is how we do it. Now move it up. Move it up. Woo! Yeah, woo! That was a 3.
Whoa.
Look at that one. That one's pretty cool.
It hurts, Brayden. Don't believe it. Yeah, it hurts. The blue's gone.
Uh-oh, it's coming for us. I love the smell of smoke grenades for some reason.
Ooh, it stinks. Oh! We're smoking up this.
Oh, can you see?
Oh! How many are we?
Poor Kenley's like, what is going on? You're knocking all their stuff over.
Oh, Snizzle.
We didn't even get any sparklers. Sparklers.
Is it gone?
Brayden, no.
Get
Just
out.
because an adult does something doesn't mean you can.
That really hurt my leg. I know. What did? Like, there's like something sparked out of the colored line and it got both of us. Oh, they're all going out.
You think they got sparklers at the dollar store?
Yeah, they do. They do. Oh,
I know I was getting to speak that. If some fire trucks coming here, we're gonna have it.
I think there's a fire. Fire!
Who the hell buys $30 worth of smoky stuff?
You do? Oh my gosh. Oh, that's a burns. That's the stuff that burns. Oh god. Really? On top of that? Go!
Whoa!
Charlie.
Woo!
It's crazy.
It's 4th of July! Also, these are cool colors. These are mixed
Whoa.
in.
That's insane.
Don't touch it, Charlie. You can touch the smoke, but not it. Is it cool, guys? Charlie, Bobby.
I want my money back.
Yeah. I'd rather have seat covers.
The blue's going out really fast.
I'm just gonna hold this.
No! Grab the stuff! Oh, the purchase is getting your eye. My hair is gonna reek. They can't. Whatever you do, don't get it in your eyes. It hurts. Hi, you want to head?
Jesus.
That stuff stinks.
I think it's going good. Whoa!
Hey,
It
Brayden.
smells like spray paint. Too much. It smells like spray paint.
How many more we got? 3?
Oh, what? That's it? Oh, come on. We need some sparklers. Sparklers you have to do at nighttime so it's way cool. What is that?
Yeah, we need to get sparklers.
Sparklers is way. Oh, there's one on top yet. I still have a bag. Oh, that can pop it out.
Who wants to light this one?
Me.
Hold on. Who's oldest?
There's 3 of them, so each of them can light one. I'm 11.
Let me do that.
You hurt yourself? We ain't taking you to the hospital.
Here, let me do it. I don't know how to light a lighter.
Do this.
Yeah, let's teach them how to play with lighters.
They needed to start a fire in the woods when they're left alone for years.
Light it first and then put it on the wick. Light the lighter and then
Need help?
light the lighter first.
You have to make sure your hand rules on.
Use the side of your thumb. It's easier. Like this. Look.
Okay.
You're the reason she's gonna be smoking crack.
Really, Zach? That one's been lasting for a long time. My hands are gone.
Yes.
Okay,
just
I can't do that.
try it. You didn't even try
me
it.
do this
Just
one.
spin it
Yeah, let me
while
stick on one.
on the red. Spin it and then hit the red button after you spin it.
Well, just do it. Let me do it. Really fast. Let me do it.
Just try a few times before you get to the wick. Just try lighting it.
Okay. It's freaking hard. Let me do it. Here, you light it and I'll hold it.
Don't touch it.
I have a lighter. Stay away.
Give it to me.
Run away!
Can I put it, pick it up? Yeah, do it. Do it.
Is that your Is that your option of 4th of July? Teaching 11-year-olds, 9-year-olds how to play with lighters?
I'm really fast.
Bobby just tripped.
Brandon has it. No.
How am I supposed to smoke my crack now?
Kids just ran. They ran into each other.
Who's older, you or McKenna?
Me. Wait, Anna, who? I'm 11. Oh, me.
Braden just lit the last one. Lexi couldn't get the lighter to work.
Yeah, I don't know how lighters work. It's freaking hard.
Hold it.
If I can work it. Oh
my god.
Fire.
It's not going to burn your thumb off. You got to hold that down after you do it.
There.
Whoa!
Chill. Tilt the box towards the lighter, not the lighter towards the box.
I'm scared. Now take the box! Take the box!
It's not even lit.
Can I try again? I don't get burnt.
Let your sister do it.
Stop! It hurts. Now next one's mine.
You-
Whoa! It's a smoke test.
Put your masks on!
Run for your life!
You should have let all of them at the same time. Now it's my turn to do this one.
You did the last one. It's Lexi's turn.
Yeah, you doesn't know how to work. You lit the
Zach will help her.
Who?
Lexi hasn't got to do it yet.
Why did you light it when it was her turn?
Because she didn't know how.
Move that way so she doesn't get smoking.
Mommy,
Don't touch. Hot.
okay, spin it and then hit it. Let's do it real fast. Okay.
Have Zach help her. Push.
Down.
Okay.
You gotta spin that and hold down. Spin, hold. Spin, hold. Spin, hold.
We need some sparklers. I know.
No, it's windy right now.
Yeah!
Right, I want to wait for the wind to quit blowing. Charlie, move. Move.
You have to lift the. Oof, I am.
Just let her do it.
I did it at first. Some people younger than me know how to light a lighter.
Brayden,
Oh, thank
stop.
You gotta hold it in. There. Oh! See that? Watch out.
Holy pineapples!
You see Bobby get scared.
Can I pick it up?
Ruined my grass.
No, it's hard to put up.
Woohoo!
Ah! It won't stay up. Oh, yeah, it did.
Let me see that cuteness. Let me see the cuteness. Oh, look at that cute baby. So cute.
Wow.
Crazy children. Crazy kids. Brayden, let him up.
If we wanted smoke, all we had to do is let you cook.
I say we go get sparklers. Yeah, can someone go get sparklers? Yeah.
All right, guys, say bye.
Bye.
Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
Woo!
Woo! I'm saying squat.
Look at you with your Kool-Aid mustache. You look like a little hood rat with your mohawk and Kool-Aid mustache.
Here, I'll run up to
Shirtless.